0.5% move, which is in this box right here. So that's the edible, that's the input box. Here's the output boxes right here. I made these output boxes green. The target right here, we want to make that big too. I just kind of want to blow it up. Easy. I'm just going to go right here, right? And I'm going to grab the equal. Oh, God. Now I got to delete it. Equal to, this is for you guys to do. You put equal and then whatever one of these boxes you want to, target it. Let's target the top one, the one I recommend you target. We're going long. Boom. And this is his formatting. Bold. Oh Lord, really? Let's do this part. Let's do this part like this. Like that. Then this part right here, let's do like that. Then let's do like that. 72, that's better. And then let's do I think it's the center is already applied, so don't worry about that. And we're done with that. So that's your target. So when you hit that, you hit this. Right there. Okay. And this is a whole percent move right here at the bottom. Okay. So we're scalping. We're only $10, right? Making $5. All right. Who wants to do that all day? I don't know. But listen. Here's the part where it gets good. Go ahead and enter in. We're going to do it from here first. Let's do one Bitcoin. No, I'm sorry, not one Bitcoin. Let's do $10,000. $10,000. Okay. Wait a minute, I got to delete this back here. All right, 10, 2, $3,000 right there. All right, now we also want to grab the output and use this as the input for our available balance. So take that, press equals. Not too easy to do when you're trying to do it. Wait a minute, which one? Oh, it was this one. Equals. Which one? Equals that Bitcoin right there. Enter. Now everything should populate over here. 50 times leverage gives us $500,000 to trade with. That's with a $10,000 account. All right. 0.5 percentage point gives us a $19 move. So for every $19.50, so let's just say for every $20, we get $2,500 for every $20 movement. Okay. This is classic futures trading right here. That's what leverage affords you. Now you can also lose that. Now that you guys have the gist of understanding how to use this calculator, after I took you through all that hell, sorry, I'll edit this video. Oh my God, man, I'm sorry. So now you understand, and then you can always look at this while you're trading and say, man, I gotta hit this target. Am I going to hit it? Am I not? And if you're not, get out the trade. Don't take a loss. All right, 0 losses. All right, and there you have it. Liquidation can be put here just so you can know. You also, if you put it there, it has a way of calculating it right here based on the value right here, okay? Anyways, you're going to be seeing me use this calculator a lot. I'm going to try to like beautify it a little bit, make it a little bit more intuitive, organize it a little bit more. So this is the first iteration. All right, take care. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it.